Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are Group 5 presenting a group project for subject ECE551 Multimedia System and Application. We have 5 group members that work together in this group project for website development. Okay, for this group project, we have decided with our group members to develop an apparel website for the brand Homebois. First of all, let me tell a little bit about Homebois. Okay, Homebois is an e-sport culture brand that aim to grow bigger in the apparel and clothing industry. The design does not only focus on culture, but also defined as a family and hood. Homebois has decided to add another arm to their business resume by started a new e-sport team called Homebois. Then the problem that I've faced by the Homebois is not having a website for the brand poses significant challenges in reaching and engaging with the target audience effectively. So our group will develop a great website which will attract more people to know about the Homebois and also increase the target audience effectively about their products.
Okay, hi. So we go to the next part, which is a web development team. For this project, it's done with 5 manpower. Me, myself, as a project manager, I'm expert in web development and also I have more than 10 years experience. So my task in this project, Homebois Store, is to act as a bridge between client side and organization. So we go to Mr. Rauf part. Mr. Rauf AL-HAFHIS is a web designer. Mr. Rauf expert in programming HTML, Python, React.js, and also Angular JS. So his task in this project is responsible in server setup, code build, and database connection. So we go to the next person, Mr. FIRDAUS. He is as UI UX designer. He expert in build coding for HTML, HTML5, CSS, Python, and JavaScript. His task is to create interface that are user-friendly and technically robust. Next, we go to Mr. BAZLI part. Mr. BAZLI is our technical support. He is expert in web technologies and tools like Git, Docker, and CI/CD pipeline. His task for Homebois Store project is to support, troubleshoot, debug, and solve problem for web-related issue. And last manpower is Mr. SAIFUL ADLI, our quality and web tester. He is expert in performing testing tools like JMeter, Load Runner, and Gatling. His task is to ensure the website for Homebois Store met the defined standard and specification. That's all. Thank you.
Hi Mobile Legends fans, today we are delving into the methodology behind designing a Homebois clothing apparel website. From the concept to execution, we are got the blueprint to elevate this brand. Let's dive. Our journey begins with the true research and drawing inspiration. Understanding current trend, target audience preference, and competitors set the foundation for a successful design. It's about being aware of the industry landscape and finding your unique niche of streetwear. Knowing your audience is the key. We create detailed user persona, understanding their preference, behavior, and pain points. This informs decision in design, functionality, and overall user experience. We come up with streetwear culture style. The style was pioneered by everyday people focused on looking cool and feeling comfy. If the definition seems vague, that because it is streetwear style, is a you know it when you see it sort of things. But common element included graffitis, flashy sneakers, distressed denim, and oversized everything. Choosing Canva as hosting service and website service is the best choice because we are focusing into promotion and information, not like product purchase website. And there you have it, the methodology behind the crafting a Homebois website. From research to iteration, every step contributes to an online space that not only showcases your apparel but tells a compelling story. Stay inspired, stay true, and go Homebois.
After consideration of the web design structure in the methodology, then we build the HTML, CSS, and Python coding for the website. So, here are the results that we succeeded develop a website for Homebois Store that consists of 14 pages. We publish the website using domain from Canva. The link is https://homeboisworldwide.my.canva.site/catalog-info. Okay, let's we go through one by one of the pages. Page 1, we set up as home that shows of Homebois wallpaper, store logo, and play the background audio. Page 2, set up as about us that show about Homebois and iframe YouTube video titled Homebois the Golden Triangle. Continue for page 3 that show about Homebois owner and his biodata. Page 4, set up as background of Homebois and also show their team members and logo. Next for page 5, set up as catalog that show all the Homebois product picture and its details. For page 6, set up as clothing that show Homebois clothing product with their price tag. We continue with page number 7, set up as accessories that shows Homebois accessories with their price tag. For page 8 is sizing chart that shows the detail of Homebois clothing sizing chart guide. Page 9 set up as award that show all Homebois awards and achievement. Next page 10 we set up as collaboration page that show all Homebois sponsor and collab partner. Continue with page number 11, we set up as contact us that show Homebois Instagram and YouTube channel info. Page 12 we set up as our store that show Homebois physical store details, contact, and maps hyperlink. Next, for page 13, set up as gallery that shows all Homebois photo and collection. And the last page, set up as developer that show website developer name and iframe YouTube video titled Homebois since day one.
Okay, next we go to discussion. We present to you about the problem encounter and problem solving. First, for problem encounter, majority of company have the same thing like lack of idea for the website concept. For me, at first, we wasn't sure what the concept of the website should be because it's our first time making website for clothing. Then the concept is that we are thinking of usually not suitable for the website because of the color, the detailing are too difficult to the customer to use it. Next, our problem that we face is unable to put audio in the website. Maybe it's due to against policy and privacy of Google. What we do, we request to input some audio in the website to making more interesting to the customer when they use the website. We also unable to put the audio because the music or audio itself they crash by some policy and privacy that was in Google. But we can solve it. But it took a few tries before we managed to put it in. Next, we got normal error like dot type double and coding error lah. I think majority lah have the same problem because normally some of error in the coding make the outcome doesn't look like how we expected. Then the fourth thing, I think the customer or our teams also have bad network service or slow Wi-Fi lah. Because of this, I think it happened because of amount we take the website required. People to interest to need to have stable signal to see all the features we put in. Last, we got the bad quality video lah. As we know, the video when we put at the website are very bad. It's hard to see the content of the video or the video coming blur like that. But we keep trying to make a good quality video. We try and error and require to overcome this problem lah. Okay, for conclusion, creating a website involves careful planning, design, and development to achieve successful online preference. Next, we consider our target audience, define a goals, and create engaging content. Next, after we do the assignment, we have known that we must prioritize user experience and ensure mobile responsiveness. Regularly update and maintain the website to keep it and relevant and secure. Lastly, lead the website through various channels to attract visitors and achieve our goal.